Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you on how to create a professional industry standard logo for free, absolutely free. Suppose this is your first time getting this channel, please subscribe and get more videos like this. You clicked this video for a reason, and now I'm going straight to the point. When creating a professional looking logo, you just need three things. Number 1, 2, and 3. What are these things? Let's go. So at number 1, you'll need to identify brand stroke, that category of a desired individual or actually company. Again, number 2, we'll have to have a name of the company, brand. And number 3, which makes it final, is the slogan. Now, in my case, I have it here. Which is brand? This is a dance company or actually individual, the brand. Number 2, we have the name Mishke Danska. Number 3, we have the slogan, Dance Be My Passion. Wow, we got it covered now. Hope you understand up to there. Now we will need a web browser. In our case, we'll use a Chrome browser. Then just open it here. After opening web browser, just come to canva.com. Suppose you don't have an account, create one for free. There's a paid version and actually a free version that you can use for lifetime. But I will prefer for this video, just follow me. In our category, we need a dance logo. So just click search from the template list. And now there are varieties of actually those particular logos. But now, what I'll go for is this one. I just like it the way it is. So come to customize this template. Ooh. Okay. When clicking or actually selecting that particular logo template, it should be resonating with the content or actually the brand that you want to create a logo for. Okay. Now, I have the name of my brand, not Urban Dance Studio, but actually rather it's Mishka Dancer. So I'll come and copy, paste that particular logo name here. So just come here, then actually just paste it. Control V. But actually in my case, I'll have just to reduce the size maybe to 30. Wow. Okay. Mishka Dancer. Ooh, it's cool, looking cool, but not yet. When using template, make it original in a way that actually it resonates with your brand, but again, at the same time, it does not infringe other people's right. Just imagine how many people are using these particular templates. That's the reason why we're going to take it top notch, or actually next step ahead to the next level. Okay, let's just drag this here, and actually where we have the name, it should be, just stepping on it. And now this one, just drag it a little bit up just to fit it good. But now again, we'll have just to change this color maybe to something like let me just see. And now we have to change the color of this particular object here, or actually the person, as a symbol of actually. So let's come to the colors, then select red. Wow, It's looking good and great, but not yet. Let's try and flip this maybe to horizontally. Okay. Maybe something like this will make it good. Wow. Okay, now in the next thing that actually we're going to do here, maybe just to download this particular logo, but actually again take it PDF or actually to other format that actually we will decide. Actually, in this case, let me just come to download. Then what I'll do is just come to this particular size. Then what I'll do here is just simple increase the dimension up to the maximum, then click PNG here, then actually download it with the empty background. So here I'll just change the name, then come to download to the maximum, but actually here we'll have just to make it professional and actually transparent background for now. It's downloading. Who? Now we have it here. We have it here. It's looking cool, but actually want to take it next level. Now, after downloading this particular PNG logo, let's actually just take it now to be 3D and actually to a next level. Now, come to your browser or actually new tab, then search for photopia.com. This first URL that actually comes here, click it. After clicking it, now we're coming to templates. It's loading. Now you can select from these varieties of mockups, but actually in my case I'm going to use a simple and actually clear template in my case. Okay. So now I'll just come and select this particular one. Then come down here where actually it's written Photopia, then this very code after the hashtag, then click. After clicking it, just come here and double tap. Then just remove it again using this eye icon here by typing or actually by tapping. Then come here and open and place to that very logo that actually we downloaded before, which is a PNG without a background. Then just readjust the size of that particular object to suit the dimension of actually the given set. Wow, now we have it. Then click here confirm. After doing a confirmation, then come back to file, then say save smart object, or just click Ctrl S shortcut key, then click it. After clicking it, now we have it. When I go back here, we have the good logo now, looking great and awesome. Now again, the next thing I'm going to do is just simple. Come to file. After coming to file, just come to export as. I'll export as PDF in my case for digital products. Then come again to export as a PNG. Then click save. I'll do this process one more time, but actually using a different template. Come to photopia.com. Then just come to templates. I'll choose from a variety of actually the template that we have to bring life or actually breathe life to this particular logo, make it very professional and actually outstanding. Now coming to this office glass, I'll just click it, then click this down here. Then the windows will open. After opening, in our case, I'll just come here and double click where actually it's written our logo. Then click here, then open and place under file. We'll click that particular logo that we downloaded as a PDF, actually PNG, just to be precise, then increase the size or actually the dimension of our logo just to suit the working area according to the object set. Ooh, isn't it looking cool? I think I like it there. Then just click confirm here, then come back to file, then click save smart object. Then coming to office wall, we have it there. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Now come to file, then come to export. Then we can export as PDF or actually other formats that you may prefer. But actually in my case, I'll just export PDF and PNG. Now come to save. Then we have them here. So the first logo that actually I had before, a minimalist one, was this one. Ooh, but now I've actually taken it to another level using these. Can you see this? Then this. Then finally, this one that actually minds blowing. See you in the next piece. Subscribe, like, and comment. And that is how you create a professional looking logo within, did we use 5 or 2 minutes? I don't know. But thank you for the follow, like, comment, and tell me which video you want to see next. Bless up.